Hi everyone, this is Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today's video is about the differences between two cult favorite Korean nail products, Dashing Diva and Ohora. Two of the most popular videos on my channel both have to do with application. The first one is the Dashing Diva gel strips and the second one is Ohora gel strips. And I've had people ask me the differences, so I thought I'll make this video and let's just go category by category and talk about the differences. Before we start, Dashing Diva makes more than just one nail product. I am specifically going to talk about their gloss strips today, which look like this. And then Ohora just makes the one kind as far as I know, and they look like that. Dashing Diva are fully cured gel. They are ready to be applied to the nail. They have an adhesive side and then the face side. All you do is prep your nail by cleansing it and then peel and stick this on and trim. You're done. I do a couple optional steps as well. You can watch my application tutorials. I don't want to rehash everything here. It's a lot easier to show you in a video than to talk about it, but these are basically ready to go. The Ohora strips are semi-cured gel. They are soft. They have an adhesive side, just like Dashing Diva, and then the face side. But if you press on them or handle them a lot, they will dent while they're in this stage. They need to be put on the nail, trimmed, and then the nail needs to be cured under a UV lamp. No UV lamp is required for Dashing Diva. For Ohora, required to have a UV lamp or an LED lamp. Any lamp basically that can cure gel nail polish is what you would use for these. Dashing Divas retail for around $8 to $10, depends on the design. The Ohoras are more in the $14 to $17 range. The Dashing Divas you can buy on their US website, which is what I normally do because you get free shipping if you spend $15. Here in the United States, you can also even pick them up at Walmart, at Ulta. I think Sephora also sells them. I'll put links in the description box. Dashing Divas can be a little bit tricky to get internationally, especially the gloss strips. The Ohoras you can only get from their website. You will be paying, I think, $20 in shipping because of DHL Express. If you get $80 worth of nails, you will get free shipping, which is kind of a big commitment if you've never tried them. You get about 2 applications per box from Dashing Diva, about 2 applications per box from Ohora, and the reason I say about is because this will depend on your nail size and how many different strips that are included could work for your nails. Dashing Divas do not stretch. The way that they come, the size that they are, is the size that you get. You cannot make them larger. The Ohora strips, before you cure them, are pliable and flexible. You can stretch them quite a bit to fit your nail. It's a nice concept. In reality, it can be a little bit tricky. That was the most confusing part for me with the stretching. But I did learn. It's not that hard once you've tried a couple of times. I show that in the application video for the Ohora. The Dashing Divas, however, you can trim to make them more narrow. Not so much with the Ohora. And the reason being is Ohora nails are domed. It's a little bit hard to explain, but I'm going to try. So because Ohora is a real gel, they are made to mimic real gel. So they're thinner toward the bottom and then thinner toward the sides, just like real gel would be if you went to a salon. The middles are a bit thicker. When you apply this on the nail and cure it, it actually feels and looks really nice. However, if you think about it, this wide nail here, for example, right, we have the thinner edges and the thicker middle. Let's say you want to make this smaller and you trim it. Well, then you're going to lose that domed effect because you're now going to cut into this thicker middle, and I don't think that's going to look very nice. So these you can make larger but not smaller, or wider but not more narrow, and the Dashing Divas you can make more narrow but not wider. Both of these are very easy to remove. I have a removal video specifically for Dashing Diva, but it's the same exact process. You basically want to lift the nail strip at the cuticle very gently and then either get nail polish remover or even like an oil of some sort between your nail and the strip and just very gently work through it and lift it. There's no damage if you do it properly. I've had no issues whatsoever. It's not at all like the real gel you'd get at the salon. Even though both of these are made from real gel, or so the brands say, the removal is much easier than salon gel manicure. You don't have to soak anything in acetone. You don't have to file anything down. Very simple. Because Dashing Divas are fully cured, you don't have to worry about exposing them to sunlight. They come like this, and it's all open basically to the view. The Ohora nails, they're not fully cured, and if they do get exposed to the UV, including sunlight, natural sunlight, they will harden and you will not be able to use them anymore. So Ohora nails come in a package like this. Inside of the cardboard box that I showed earlier in the video is this black box to protect them from the light, and the brand says to be very careful when you're applying these to store your extras away before you cure your nails under the lamp, because if any of that lamp light gets onto your extras will also cure and you can't use them anymore. Dashing Divas take considerably less amount to apply. Even with the extra step that I do, my extra step is putting a clear coat of gel over the top to really seal in the ends. But because the wrap itself, the Dashing Diva nail strip, does not need to be cured, you just put it on, trim, and then I do the clear gel. That saves me a lot of time versus Ohora. Ohora you have to put on and then cure it 1 to 3 times before it's fully hard. And then I still take that optional step of the clear gel on top to really seal in the ends, not the cuticle, but the cuticle end as well. Dashing Divas are quite a bit thinner. They don't have that domed thing that Ohora does, although a little bit they do. Toward the cuticle side, Dashing Diva actually has kind of a thinner and less pigmented. It's very hard to notice, but it is there. They do try to kind of make it look as real as possible, as real manicure as possible as well. So, but they are quite a bit thinner feeling than Ohora. And I noticed that Dashing Divas, for me, they last for a full 14 days, sometimes even longer, but usually my nails are way too grown out by then, so I take them off. But Dashing Divas don't catch at the cuticle for me. So eventually, when the wraps get a bit older, you can start having a little lifting at the cuticle, and you'll notice, because the hair will start getting caught, like running your fingers through your hair, you feel the hair get caught there. I have a lot more of that with Ohora, and a lot earlier on, like even day 10 sometimes. With Dashing Diva, I almost never have that, and if I do, it's more day 13, 14. Now, I'd say that both of these are quite nice. I can't say that I dislike one over the other or find that one is a waste of time and money over the other. I do think that Ohora has some really nice designs that are a lot of the times more impressive than Dashing Diva, but Dashing Diva has some really cool stuff as well. I'm actually wearing Dashing Divas today, and although sadly I can't show you this part, but see the little heart here? It actually changes colors when it's exposed to UV, to sunlight, or to a gel lamp, so that's kind of cool. And they look to me, show you with my face, they look to me very real, like no less real than Ohora. But because of the price point, because of the easier application, because of the free shipping on just $15, or even the ability to get it at Walmart or Ulta, or sometimes TJ Maxx will have older designs on sale. If I were forced at gunpoint to choose one of these two, I would choose Dashing Diva. They're just, I don't know, they're just simpler. But then I have friends and readers who have a hard time with Dashing Diva sizing. It doesn't match them as well, and they love that ability to stretch the Ohora nails to really make a custom size for their nail. So I think they're both worth trying, and just see which one you like better. And if you've tried both, let me know in the comments. And if you tried any other nail things, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope it cleared up some of your questions about the differences between Dashing Diva versus Ohora. If you have any more questions, of course, please reach out, leave me a comment. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, on my blog, KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you so much.